In this tutorial, we will show you the main features of AdSigner Image Editor. Let's get started. You can access the image editor whenever you're dealing with images. To access it, you can click on the Edit button when selecting an image. Click on the Crop button near the image when editing your template or signature. Or using the Edit option when viewing all uploaded images. The image editor will open. You can change the size of your picture by entering new values of width and height. Option Contain will resize your image so it fits the canvas. Option Cover will resize the image so it fills up the canvas. You can rotate the picture by moving the slider or typing the value. The same goes for the Zoom option. To reset changes, use the Reset button. The Roundness tool works the same way. You can also flip your images horizontally and vertically. Recolor your artwork by choosing different filters. When you are done, finish by clicking on the Save Cropped button. Your image will be saved as a copy. Your image editing is done. If you have any further questions, leave us a comment below. For more tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow AdSigner on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.